I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Klarna wallet can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Here is a simple guide to help you out. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your wallet. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're in the app, find the wallet section. It is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the wallet section, look for the Add Funds option. Tap on it to proceed to the funding options. Step 4. Choose your funding method. Here you'll see various options for adding money, such as linking a bank account or using a debit card. Select the method that works best for you. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. After entering the amount you wish to add, review the details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are added. Just a heads up, if you choose to link a bank account, it may take a few days for the funds to appear. Happy shopping! If you have any questions, feel free to ask.